I thought creativity isn't something you can just automate. But it turns out AI didn't replace my creativity. It expanded this. I will explain. Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Chioma, a content creator, a data analyst, and a data science student who is constantly learning and experimenting how AI technology can fit into human creativity and amplify our work instead of replacing us and make us more intentional. If you're someone who is fascinated by technology, AI, or content creation, or even your work that you do, but you're looking for how to be more efficient and avoid burnout, you are in the right place because that is what this channel is all about. We experiment, we learn, and we see the tools that can help make our work easier. Let's get into it. Last week, I experimented if AI can help me schedule my week and make me productive. And the result was shocking and both wowing. And you can check my other videos, how AI helped my YouTube journey, content creation, and everything in general, both editing my videos. So if it's something you want, check my playlist and you can watch the video and you will learn a lot. Sometimes we used to have what is called creative blocks. You can't think of any topic to talk about. And I said, okay, let me try one of my assistants, which is AI. I opened ChatGPT. I first of all explain to ChatGPT what my channel is all about. My channel talks about the intersection of artificial intelligence, technology, and how it can fit in human creativity. I help make our work efficient, both content creation, data analytics, data science, or any work that we are doing, how it can help us schedule things. This is what my channel is all about. And I need 10 content ideas that will wow my viewers, captivate my audience, and also teach them what they need to know. And the result and the output is something I didn't expect because I didn't expect creativity in it. I didn't expect storytelling or conversational tone in what AI will give to me. But I also stated it in my prompt because when I always talk about it, I tell you how you can do it yourself. Prompt is one thing that drives AI. Yes, it's like the drive, is the fuel it needs. And what is that prompt? You telling AI what you can do. Communicate it in a good way for it to understand because AI does what you ask it to do. If you ask AI to generate you anything without being descriptive, it does what it wants. But when you're descriptive, it does what you want. When I got these results, I said, wow, okay, let's do the real test. AI, turn any of these ideas into a complete script. Use a conversational tone, storytelling, and make it sound personal because that is what I do on my channel. I make people connect with me on a personal note. And guess what? AI didn't replace my creativity because I use my creativity to give it the prompt on what it would do. But it just helped solve my problem of creative block at that point. It didn't shortcut my YouTube journey for me to go sit back and say, you know what, I don't have something to talk about today. It didn't do that. Simply, it helped me to be able to come up with an idea that I'll still sit down and record. And I never run out of time anymore. It helps me in managing my time to be able to bring out time for content creation, YouTube, and my work in general, even the study. I am no more lagging behind. Time has passed when we always think that AI is a robot. It is not creative. It can amplify the creativity in you when you allow it to. And how do you allow it to? Putting it in your prompt. It amplifies it. It expands it. Sometimes we might have creativity on how to start something, but we might have creative block on how to expand that thing. You can have a hook for a particular video, but the body of that video and the key points for your teaching, you will be lost in it. AI is there to expand that particular creative point you have as your hook into something that will wow your audience, into something that your audience will learn a lot from. And in my next video, I discussed extensively how AI helped me solve a particular problem. Make sure you don't miss it for anything. See you on the next one. My name is Chioma. Bye.